Why?
Okay, so today we're doing a craft for letter C.
I need to focus.
Okay, focus. You can do it.
Saya pemanda. Dia siapa saya?
Hi, Sophia. We're doing letter C.
Another one. Where's my other one?
Okay, you got one eye.
Where's the other eye? Another eye?
Okay, well,
Not under there. No, I just tapped the there.
okay, never mind. Okay, so while I look for the other eye, you can glue on their ears. Glue on the C. Come on. Move your hand, please. Okay, squeeze. Oh, I think it's blocked. Try on it. Squeeze. Move your hand.
No.
Okay,
You gotta put on the glue, and then later we're gonna make the letter C. Okay, when Adi is asleep.
Malik, can you put on the C, please?
I'm trying.
Okay, then I have to cut another eye.
Stick on there for the whole day.
Good. Now you can stick on the ears. You try and put on the glue
No,
there
I'm
and then.
gonna put my first I need to put it on my hand. No, too. Baby, too. I can't. Me too. Me too. No, too. No.
Hey, did you manage to glue the ears?
No.
Okay, one ear there, one ear there.
No.
Sophia, look at the ears. Sophia, look at that.
Put it on.
No, I never did that. Oh, they are ears.
Good
I
job.
want to see the ears.
Okay, one more.
Look at Malik. He's doing it.
Good job. Okay. We're gonna get your eyeballs. This is Malik so far. Okay.
Look at the cat.
Okay, let's put your eyeballs on. Come on to glue for me, Malik. Actually, you already have glue there. And you can draw on the eye. Little black eyes.
You just got, but it's small.
Very good. Another eye. Then maybe draw a circle
I'm
too.
gonna do a smile.
Oh, you're drawing a smile. Okay.
Wait. The
Want to
hand.
do the circle here?
Under your hands. His name is Mr. Catty.
Mr.
His
Catty.
legs.
Oh, he has legs too. Very good.
But his
And do a circle here, Malik.
he has a
Do a circle here.
wait, Mama.
What's that?
These are just his pockets.
The pockets. All right. Let's put his nose.
Wait, I need to draw something in there.
What's that? His tail. All right, Malik.
And there. That's a stick, and that's a ball.
Nice.
That's his presents.
Put his nose on the end of the C, beginning there. Good. Sideways bit. Okay. And then we're gonna put on his whiskers.
Oh,
See little whiskers?
do you cut
Oh,
that?
sorry. Put the whiskers first.
Why is
put
the
one
tree?
Because he has lots of whiskers.
Why?
In the middle like that.
I got one.
You dropped it? Okay, now this one just
It
put.
looks like it looks like a mark in this hand.
Yeah, it's like a squished X. Okay, are we ready to put on his nose now? I think I need to put a little bit more glue for you. Put here. There you go, here's his nose, Malik. There you go. Good.
It's a daddy cat.
It's a daddy cat?
That's his mustache.
Oh, that's his mustache.
Now can we learn about sharks?
Oh,
I really want to work like cats.
okay, 1 minute, okay? We just let everyone finish off the craft first.
I am already done. Let me see, can I show them mine?
Yeah, you can show yours. Yeah,
They're not seeing.
yeah, I just need to do something first.
Hi.
Hi, Malik finished his cat. And while we wait for our friends to finish, we can watch this short video about letter C.
About sharks.
So this we can watch about sharks.
And
what else
that will be about wildflowers.
Yeah. Hey, wait, face it.
Ouch.
Are you okay?